Hello everyone, welcome back to Conquer College Admissions YouTube channel. My name is Julie Kim and I'm a graduate of USC and Harvard, now mentoring high school students with the college admissions journey, specifically Ivy Leagues and top tier colleges. I'm here to share with you very exciting news, and that is on January 15th, Wednesday, I will be hosting a brand new live masterclass on how to get accepted into your dream Ivy League and top tier, even if you think that your application is not unique enough or you're not talented enough or whatever other doubts you have about this process. I'm going to share with you 3 strategies that you can use to hold that acceptance letter from your dream Ivy League and top tier. Again, it's going to take place on January 15th on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So I'll go ahead and leave the link down below in the description box so that you can register for the live workshop. It's completely free and it'll be about 1 to 2 hours. And it'll be a very interactive live workshop where I'll get to learn more about what your needs are, what you're concerned with, and at the same time, I will have a PowerPoint up sharing strategies and case studies and all of the good stuff with you in this live workshop. All right, again, it's gonna take place on Wednesday, January 15th, 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time, and I can't wait for you to join me. And we only have 500 seats available, so make sure to register as soon as possible so that you can secure your seat. I'll see you in the live workshop, and I can't wait to help you transform your college admissions journey in 2020. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.